Hello, just a small update on the status. You see here chassis has been painted, finished. Didn't remove all the coatings, protection. I only had a smaller things to fix, smaller corrosion stuff, and a little bit bigger was 3 of these attachment points for the carrosserie, for the body, was heavily corroded, so I pressed out new parts and welded it in here, and on the other side. The rest was okay. These 2 pillars that hold the front part of the body, mud guards stuff here, they were cracked, so I welded it here, reinforced to fix the crack from both sides, but also added here a wall on the side. Either it was a factory problem, so it was too weak and it collapsed, buckled or something, or the car had a front collision or something, so it got broken. You can check on your one, but now with reinforced part here and here, I guess it should be okay. Yeah, everything is epoxy and PU clear coat protected. New bushings, rubber everywhere, new shock absorbers, and now I'm tightening up the flanges here on the differential. I need to be very careful to go up until the notch. I hope this will be okay. And the next is putting it back together, everything back together. But before continuing work on the chassis, I will in the next few days hopefully scuff up, clean everything on the upper part of the body and paint it in green. And that's it.